everyone, it's Deca here, and welcome to another GeoGuessr video. In this video, we're going to try to see if we can learn all of the Latin America countries. That means Mexico, Central America, and South America as well. So, let's get straight into it. And so, let's start. Here we have some electricity poles. I don't know where they're from, so I can't identify them. And also, I have a hard time differentiating between Spanish and Portuguese. They look very similar to me. So this is going to be quite challenging, I think. So we have this. I think this means we're in Guatemala. The poles, the two metal poles on the top of the car, I think that means we're in Guatemala. Yes, indeed. Unique car. This gray Street View car with a visible roof rack and mirrors is unique to Guatemala. Don't confuse it with the Dominican Republic car, which has black stripes on the roof rack, and the Curacao car, which has a black front. A similar car is found in Laos, so always check the surroundings before making a guess. Yes. Okay, so we have a blue car. The electricity poles, if we look at the electricity poles, there's they're longer on one side. The other side is shorter. This looks, I don't know. Oh, okay, so these water reservoir tanks are commonly found in Brazil. Fort Lev tanks, I think we're in Brazil, yeah. Blue water tanks. Blue Fort Lev water tanks are often seen on Brazilian roofs, and we are indeed in Brazil. So these are found, like these bollards with two, round bollards with two red stripes are found in Ecuador commonly. I think so we're gonna put it in Ecuador, and that is correct. There's also another type of bollard that can be found, and it's not rounded, it's like a rectangular type of bollard, but it also has two red reflectors. Ecuador is one of the countries in South America that uses bollards extensively, making them quite common in the country. There are two main types of bollards: a round bollard with two red stripes, a flat bollard with two red reflectors on the back. Okay. On the black, it said. I think there was a typo in there, yeah. So these electricity poles look pretty unique, but I know this one. I know this is like one of the most unique electricity poles you can find anywhere in the world. I think this is the Argentinian electricity pole, and it is indeed. This double rounded concrete pole connected by a concrete flag is almost exclusive to Argentina. Similar ones can occasionally be found in Bolivia, but the landscape will be vastly different. Yes, indeed. So this one here, I don't see the car's license plate. It could be yellow. If it is yellow, that means we're in Colombia. I don't see any license plates here. I don't see our car. Our car is blue, I think. We're driving a blue car. But this electricity pole tells me nothing. So I don't know if we're in Chile. I don't think it's Chile. Oh, we see a water reservoir tank. I think we're in Brazil. That means we're in Brazil. Yes, indeed. 15,000, 14,000, almost 15,000. That's pretty good. License plates are not yellow, so it's not Colombia. And does it have any water reservoir tanks? No, there are not. I don't see any. So not Colombia. Do we see any bollards? No bollards. Electricity poles? Nothing, huh? Nothing. The only thing we see is the colorful fence, the church over there, and the car. We're driving on the right side of the road. Where is the sun? The sun is over there. It's in the southeast. That means we're in Central America or in Mexico, right? So, so where could we be? Where could we be in those places? I think it could be Mexico. It could be Mexico. Maybe Guatemala. But no, it's not. Yeah, it is actually Guatemala. I didn't look at the car. I didn't see these two metal poles. I think it's Guatemala. So let's put it in Guatemala and see. No, it's not. Curacao. Unique car. This black Street View car with a roof rack is unique to Curacao. It also has white stickers on the front, left, back, right of the roof rack. So we have to memorize, okay? So Guatemala has two of these metal poles on the top, but it's not black. Curacao has the same thing, but it's black. It's a black car, and the Dominican Republic has black stripes on the two metal poles. Memorize that. Let's try to remember that. So we have a mountainous country and yellow license plates. I think it means we're in Colombia. We're indeed Colombia. In South America, yellow license plates are almost exclusive to Colombia. Commercial vehicles in Colombia may have white plates. Now this one looks like, I thought it's like the Argentinian electricity pole, but no, it's like the cross here, the cross electricity pole with a cross on it. I don't know where exactly that's found. It could be Brazil, it could be Uruguay. I'm going to put it in Uruguay, and that is indeed the case. Uruguay trident poles. Uruguay has a handful of different utility poles. One very common and useful one are the so-called trident poles, which get their name from their distinctive pole tops with 3 insulators that point upwards. Note, these trident poles are not found in neighboring Argentina and Brazil. Not found in neighboring Argentina and Brazil. That's a very good way to remember where we are. And is this a trident pole or no? I don't think this is a trident pole. We have a yellow center line and white outer lines. And thick, you see the thick sign? It's noticeably thicker than in other countries, and I think that's a mnemonic for Mexico, a way to remember Mexico, yeah. So we see that this one is, has thick arrows. Mexico thick arrows, and Mexico arrows on signs are noticeably thick compared to other countries in the Americas. Okay, so here we have 3 lines in the middle, 3. So yellow, white, and yellow. I think that's a good way to know where we are, but unfortunately, I don't remember what country this is, but the kilometer sign points to Mexico, I think, so I'm going to put it in Mexico, but no, I was wrong. Uruguay. So Uruguay has the white, thick poles. It has the trident electricity poles and the triple road line. Uruguay often has these 3 road lines that consist of double yellow road lines with white dashes in between. This is a design not seen anywhere else in the Americas. Okay, good way to remember. 12,000, not that good, but we're gonna try harder. And we're improving slowly, slow and steady. So, if we look at the poles over there, we see the pole, not so sure what it is. Oh, so we see the Argentinian one, so we're in Argentina, yeah. We're in Argentina. This one, I think it's Chile. It has holes. It could be Brazil, it could be Chile. I think it is Chile. It looks more like Chile than Brazil. The landscape does. So this one, if we look at here, that's the Mexican bollard, I think. That's indeed the Mexican bollard. These small cylindrical white bollards with a black base are unique to Mexico. A yellow reflector is sometimes seen as well as a flat version. Okay. That is indeed Mexico. This looks very cool. Their architecture here looks very cool. So, does it say where we are? And no, that's just someone's name. We look at the license plates, not Colombia, not yellow license plates. Electricity poles, we don't see any electricity poles. Oh, we see a little bit of color here. So I don't know where that is. I'm going to put it in Argentina, but it could be anywhere else. Mexico, rounded electric counter. Okay, I didn't see those on the houses. I have to look more closely next time. Look more closely next time. We have kilometer sign. Kilometer sign and all yellow lines? No, is this white? Is this supposed to be a white sign or a yellow sign? I'm not so sure. Is it true? Are the memes true in Breaking Bad? When you go to Mexico, everything is yellow. Is it true that this here looks yellow because we're in Mexico? I don't know, but the kilometer sign, I think, points to Mexico? No, it's not. Brazil. Brazil road marker. A blue road marker with the road number at the top and the kilometers at the bottom is common in Brazil. Sometimes the first 2 letters of the road number can tell you the state you're in, unless it starts with BR. If you zoom out on the map where you can guess and look at Brazil, you'll see short 2-letter abbreviations for Brazilian states. Okay, good. Good to know. So the electricity poles here, I thought this is like the South African electricity pole, but it's not. It's not a South African electricity pole. Could it be, oh, what is this? I thought it's the Mexican bollards, but they're not Mexican. So what hint do we have here? These thick white things, I think Uruguay? Yeah, it is Uruguay. Uruguay white bollards and stone barriers. These white bollards with one side, often pointed yellow, and stone barriers are specific to Uruguay. Okay, good. Café El 200. Yellow middle lines and Mexican bollard. Okay, so we're in Mexico. This is Mexico, and here it says the white kilometer sign is found in Mexico. So the blue one is found in Brazil, and the white one is found in Mexico. So the electricity counters, look for the electricity counters to point that you're in Mexico. So electricity counters, where are they? I don't see any. Where could we be? Do we have any bollards? Oh, I think we're in Guatemala. I think this points that we're in Guatemala. So put it in Guatemala over here. No, Krakow, I didn't check the color of the car, the black car. So we have a flag over there. It's a Chilean flag. That's the flag of Chile. That's an easy way to remember where we are. I didn't even look at the pole. Here we could be in, oh, what? It looks like it's broken, but it's not, obviously. It's obviously not broken. Sorry, my timer went off, and we can see these Mexican Mexican bollards. Okay, next one. Now let's go this one. Okay, so we have a black car. A black car indicates we're in Curacao. Okay, good. I remember now. We look at the car, we see the two metal bars, and this one is in Colombia. Very nice. Colombian yellow plates. Good. Black car, Curacao. We remember now. Very good. We remember. Curacao, unique car. Now here, where could we be? Is it Argentina? We have the Argentinian, no, trident pole. Trident pole is found in Uruguay. Put it in Uruguay. What? We have a trident pole, but it's Peru. Peru concrete blocks. Signs with concrete blocks at the bottom are unique to Peru in South America. Okay, I didn't know that. Here we could be in many places, but it looks like either Argentina or it looks like either Peru or Chile. But here we have the concrete blocks, right? So I already forgot, if I'm honest, where that country was, but I think it's Peru, right? It is Peru. Yeah, the concrete blocks are in Peru. But I didn't think it would be north. I thought it would be south because the south is usually like a desert. So here, if we look at the climate, I think we're in the south somewhere in South America, in the south of South America. This could be Argentina or Chile. Let's look for indicators and clues where we are. And I see the electricity pole, the Argentinian electricity pole over there. Here we have yellow signs, license plates. It's Colombia because it has yellow license plates. Here it's kind of tricky, but we see the electricity counters, the round electricity counters found in Mexico. Electric counter, yeah. Here we look at the sign, nothing useful on the sign. Here we look at the electricity poles. Trident poles? Do I see the trident pole? I don't think that's a trident pole. I don't think there's just a barrel on the road. Hello? This is not very safe. You gotta take care of that. Take it away. Take it away. So, do I see a flag over there? I think I see a flag. Could be I don't see exactly which country's flag it is. It could be a Chilean flag, but honestly, I don't see from this far away. So, what hint do they want us to look at? Okay. The car. The car is not black and has black stripes. So I think that means we're in the Dominican Republic, and we are indeed. Unique car, street view car with a white front and a roof rack filled with thick black rubber stripes is unique to the Dominican Republic. Sorry. Here we have a white car. Also, again, Dominican Republic. Wow, we got it 2 times in a row. We didn't get it before, and now we got it 2 times in a row. Very interesting. 21,000. Good score. Very good score. Look at the electricity poles. Doesn't look like Argentina. Is it a trident? No, it's not a trident. And this green sign over here, green sign. Ooh, this one is tricky. We see some mountains. We see the sun is in the southeast. Sun is in the southeast. Whoa, interesting. Look at the car. The car is blue. Whoa, the blue car. The sun is in the southeast. The terrain looks pretty unique. Do we have any bollards on the road? I'm trying to look for some bollards, but I don't see them. I think the sign is our only thing that we can go off of. Is it Brazil? It's not Brazil, right? It's not. I think it's not Guatemala. It's like El Salvador or something? No, Mexico. I thought it was Mexico, but it was like there is no clues there. I didn't see the sign with the arrow. I didn't see it at all. So the water reservoir, it's different from the one we find in Brazil. It's different from the one we find in Brazil. And so where could this be? Where could this be? Look at, oh, this is such a cute dog. Oh my gosh. Whoa, cute puppy. Counters. I'm looking for the electricity counter, but I don't see any. Don't see any electricity counters over here. The sun is in the northwest, so that means we are in the southern hemisphere, in the south of South America somewhere. Could be Central South America or Southern South America. So I'm trying to think, where could we be? And what would be the indicator for this place? What would be the hint for this place? Because I don't see anything that useful. I just see the buildings. I see the electricity poles. These electricity poles are not unique. I don't see any electricity counter. I don't see any signs. The dog doesn't tell me anything. Come on, dog, give me a hint. Give me a hint, dog. And yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see anything unique here. And my timer went off again, excuse me for that. So I'm just gonna put it in Argentina, I think, but I don't know where it is. Electricity counter. I looked at the electricity counter, but they didn't look like this. They look like something else. Okay, so green sign over there. Oh, this is Peru because it's standing on blocks, concrete blocks. Why is it every time it's in the north of Peru? We have a black sign, black back of the sign. What's the car? Car doesn't tell us anything. The black back of the sign, it doesn't tell us we're in Ecuador. No, it tells us we're in Brazil. Black back of sign tells us we're in Brazil. Okay, I gotta remember that. Is it a trident pole? If it's a trident pole, we're in Uruguay. It's not, it's Mexico. That was a mistake. We got a really bad score this time. Try again. Try again. These colors, does it tell us the color of the flag? Ooh. Look at the license plate. The license plate is not yellow, so it's not Colombia. The car is blue. I think we had a blue car before, but I don't remember where the blue car was. We have some, are they called tuk-tuks? I don't know if they're called tuk-tuks here. Do we have like, I think this might be Peru? So my guess would be Peru, but it's not, it's Mexico. Most utility poles in Mexico are made of concrete and have an octagonal shape. I didn't see the electricity pole. Didn't see it at all. Here, where are we here? There's nothing here. Do we see any bollards? No bollards. Is there a sign there? There's a sign with some numbers. It has an arrow. Are we in Mexico? That's the only thing we have here. Chile, all yellow lines. Okay, I didn't see that the road has all yellow lines. Here we have some palm trees. We have what else do we have? Nothing, no yellow license plates, no nothing. Sun is in the northwest. Okay, do we have any electricity counters? Electricity counters on the buildings, round electricity counters. I don't see any round electricity counters. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, so we see this. Is this gonna say that we're in Peru? No, it's not. Argentina license plates. Old license plates in Argentina have a black dot in the middle of a white plate. Where's the black dot? Which is an easy to spot. New license plates are fully white with a blue line at the top, similar to those in Brazil. Have a black dot. Oh, black dot. I see. I thought it says white dot. Black dot in the middle, so it's gonna be this. And newer ones are blue on top. Argentina. Okay, so black car. Black car looks like the bottom here, close to the Patagonia Mountains. I think it's Argentina. It was Argentina indeed, but it's super close. Flat, desolate, treeless, sparsely populated landscape with a visible black back of the Google car. You're likely in Argentina. Okay. Not the button. Oh, cross. It's a cross on the back. Does that mean we're like in Ecuador or Colombia? I can't remember. Ecuador? Colombia. The cross on the back is Colombia. Okay. In the photo, green check marks show the real Colombian cross and red X show the ones that aren't. They are made of white, thin metal and have a distinct cross on the back. So it's thin metal. This is thick metal. And this is kind of thick metal, I guess. Okay, try again. Okay, octagonal pole. It is an octagonal pole. I think we're in Mexico. What? Chilean pole? I didn't notice that at all. Okay, here, where are we? Okay, so we're in Peru, I think. Here somewhere. Okay, because it's standing on concrete blocks. That was Peru. This one we have a silver car. Silver car. Do we see anything? No, nothing. And when it comes to the polls, not that useful. The polls are not giving us much information. Polls are not giving us much information. Nothing useful here. Just a car. We have to guess it just based off the car. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just going to put it in the middle of South America, and I put it correctly. The pole. The Bolivia curvy poles. This is the first time we're getting Bolivia. Bolivia curvy pole. Many wooden utility poles, particularly in the eastern parts of Bolivia, are noticeably curvy and appear to be made from locally sourced tree trunks. Okay. Here we look. This looks like Peru. This looks like Peru, and if we look here, I'm pretty sure like this is Peru. Do we need any hint that this is Peru? I mean, I think this is Peru, pretty sure. Yeah. Electricity counter. I didn't see the electricity counters. All yellow. Does that mean we're in Chile? Yes, it does. All yellow lines. Chile. This one, these fences like this, I think I've seen fences like this in Uruguay before. What? Brazil pole. Okay. Here we have a cross. Is it Colombia? It is the cross on the Colombian sign. Here, I think these poles are in Uruguay. What? Mexico? That was just a fence? Okay. Is this Uruguay? It's so thick. This is the thickest sign I've ever seen. I've never seen a sign this thick. I think this is Uruguay. Watch me be wrong every time I guess Uruguay. Yeah, Uruguay, thick pole. This is... Whoa, that's a unique looking tree. Is that a tree? Whoa, that is a tree. So, what could this be? Is it Uruguay again because of these white bollards? It's not. Peru. Concrete blocks. I didn't see the concrete blocks. This one. Yellow lines. All yellow. That means we're in Chile. All yellow means we're in Chile. Okay. And here, Argentina. And this one here, kilometers. Mexico. Kilometer sign in Mexico. Yes. Blue one in Brazil. White one in Mexico. Here... Ooh, pretty difficult. Electricity counter. Do we have an electricity counter over here? Or electricity? Don't see anything. Don't see any. Oh, octagonal pole. We see the octagonal Mexican pole made of concrete. Good. And then this one here, it's square. Is it the Brazilian pole or is it the Chilean pole? Are there any other clues that we have here? I think it's the Brazilian pole, right? No, it's not. Dominican Republic. I didn't see the car. I didn't look at the car. Okay, so this is going to be the last round. Try to get everything right. Black back of the signs means Brazil. Yes, the back of the sign is black. That means we're in Brazil. Here, we're looking at the round electricity counters. That means we're in Mexico. That's right. Here, we see the electricity pole, but not too indicative of where we are, but we see these bollards and they are indeed very indicative of Ecuador. And next one is, we see the water reservoir, that means we're in Brazil. And the last country is Mexico because we see the thick sign, thick arrow, that means we're in Mexico. And we got 5 out of 5 right. Even though we got every country right, we only got 20,000 points, 12,000 points. I mean, not 20, 12,000 points. But thank you everyone for watching. I think to answer the question in the beginning, can we learn all the Latin American countries? I think we need some more practice, but I think we're getting it down. We're getting it down. And thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the